quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon and the sum of its four angles is 360 degrees. A few different types of quadrilaterals include shapes such as kite, trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, and square. Quadrilaterals are classified on the basis of certain properties, which differentiates them from each other. You are familiar with the properties of each of quadrilaterals. Let's concentrate on one of these quadrilaterals, the parallelogram. We know that a parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has two pairs of parallel sides. Let's recall the properties of a parallelogram that are in fact known as theorems. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Each of the diagonals divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles, and the diagonals bisect each other. In other words, a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram needs to show the following properties. This statement is true the other way round too. That is, if any one of these given conditions is satisfied in a quadrilateral, then we can conclude that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. The conditions are: if each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. If in a quadrilateral each pair of opposite angles is equal, then it is a parallelogram. If the diagonals of the quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. In fact, these conditions are actually converses of the first three theorems. Let's now prove these converses one by one.